Measure the labor length. Then push inching button to make the pusher to the most right side. Unlock the handle and turn it to make the length indicator to half of labor length plus 3 to 4 mm. During actual labor cutting, maybe the labor cutting length becomes shorter and shorter or longer, then we can adjust this additional 3 or 4 mm. Maybe we can adjust to 2 mm according to the actual cutting. We push inching button to make the pusher to move to the most left side. Then we adjust the limit switch position to make the pusher metal to the green limit switch about 5 mm. This 5 mm area is used for mark tracer searching the labor mark. That means we should keep enough blank area before the labor mark, so that the mark tracer can find it within this 5 mm area. After this labor length setting, limit switch setting, then we can do the mark tracer teaching. We can make the mark tracer find which is the marker. We push the first labor cutting line under the cutter. Then we shall find printing something on the labor set as marker. The character is the marker should be clear, easy to identify from the blank area. And before the marker, there is enough blank area. We adjust the pressing plate to make the labor mark under the groove. Adjust the mark tracer to make the focus on the labor mark very clearly, and the light spot is very clear, should be.
这个好像是特别清楚的。
Now we do mark tracer teaching procedure to make the mark tracer know which color is marker and which color is blank area. First, we shall make the mark tracer's light spot on the marker. Then we push the E test button. Then we adjust the light spots under the blank area. Then push the E test button again. Now, when we adjust the labor area, the mark tracer can identify the marker.
可不可以好像是可以。